God himself sent it to people. Antibiotic, antioxidant, cleans the bloodstream, destroys cholesterol. Basil is an herb in the mint family. It adds flavor to meals, and its nutrients may provide health benefits. Sweet basil, Ocimum basilicum, plays a role in many Mediterranean, and particularly Italian, cuisines. It forms the basis of pesto and adds a distinctive flavor to salads, pasta, pizza, and other dishes. Indonesian, Thai, and Vietnamese cuisines also feature this herb. In the diet, sweet basil can provide vitamins, minerals, and a range of antioxidants. Its essential oil may also have medicinal benefits. Sweet basil is available in many grocery stores, while other varieties have different tastes and fragrances. Another type of basil is tulsi, or holy basil, Ocimum santum. This plant plays a therapeutic role in Tamil and Ayurvedic medicines, which are predominantly practiced in Southeast Asia. This is different from sweet basil. Nutrition value. A serving of 2 tablespoons of this fresh herb contains only 1 calorie. It has 0.2 grams of protein, 0.1 grams of carbs, 0.1 grams of fiber, and an impressive 16 grams of potassium. It contains 5% of your daily recommended vitamin A, 1% of your daily calcium requirement, and 1% of your daily requirement of iron. Health benefits of basil. For centuries, basil has been considered an essential natural medicine in India, especially in Ayurveda and Africa. Use of this herb has been prescribed for the following: improving digestion, treating headaches, fighting cold, increasing mental alertness, acts as an aphrodisiac, improving sexual performance. There are many other benefits of basil, including the following. 1. Antimicrobial agent. Basil has been shown to have strong effects when it comes to inhibiting the growth of bacteria like E. coli, cholera, staph, listeria, and shigella. This is due to the presence of various oils and constituents that give it a strong aroma along with antimicrobial properties. 2. Anti-inflammatory agent. The eugenol in basil reduces inflammation and swelling, acting as both a pain reducer and means of breaking a fever. 3. Heart health. Basil is recommended for cardiovascular health due to its high levels of beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that stops free radicals from damaging cells. It also prevents free radicals from oxidizing cholesterol in the bloodstream. 4. Improves sleep. This herb is a great source of magnesium, which improves blood flow and can aid in sleep issues. 5. Reduces oxidative stress. Studies have also shown that basil, rich in antioxidant properties, aids in lowering blood sugar levels and managing diabetes. Reducing oxidative stress also supports liver function and prevents metabolic syndrome, providing a boost to the immune system at the same time. 6. Anti-cancer potential. Research has even shown that basil has the potential to protect you from cancer. This is due to the presence of phytochemicals like rosmarinic acid, eugenol, apigenin, and carnosic acid in it. These active ingredients help to prevent radiation-induced DNA damage. One study has also revealed that clove basil has the potential to inhibit cell proliferation and induce apoptosis. 7. Reduces stress. Basil is thought to reduce cortisol levels, which can help those people who are chronically suffering from depression or stress. 8. Skin care. The combination of antioxidant chemicals with antibacterial benefits makes basil excellent for skin health. It aids in preventing acne and keeping your skin younger looking. It also helps reduce signs of aging such as wrinkles and increase skin elasticity. Uses. Serious cooks across the world love to have a pot of fresh basil growing in the kitchen. From creative cocktails to marinara sauce, basil is a culinary staple. Basil is a common ingredient in Vietnamese, Thai, Indonesian, and Italian cuisines. It is used in soups and pesto and is often eaten fresh in caprese salads. It's also one of the most popular dried spices due to its versatility and pleasant flavor that sets off so many dishes. Holy basil or tulsi is an important medication in Ayurvedic natural medicine, where it is drunk as a tea and used as an extract. The strong scent also makes this herb popular for home cleaning and laundry products. While there are countless ways to consume this herb, you should speak to a trained herbalist or natural healer about the best means of consuming it based on what effects you would like it to have. Word of caution: it is important to check with your doctor before taking this herb, particularly in medical doses, and especially for low blood pressure or bleeding disorders. Basil is not recommended in high doses for children, during pregnancy, or for women that are breastfeeding. Stop taking it 2 weeks before any surgery, due to its impact on blood clotting.